Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another TPX Reviews. Today's review is actually an unboxing for the new Sony PlayStation DualSense. So yeah, this is pretty exciting. We're also back in the spot that I originally film for energy drink reviews. And yeah, I don't know. We got it back for the moment, so we're just gonna roll with it. So let's see if it's a returning spot. It will be awesome. So anyways, I'm gonna jump straight into the unboxing. Those of you not familiar with my channel, I basically do energy drink reviews, but today, for special occasions, I do accessories and stuff for the new upcoming game consoles, as well as, I've unboxed the PS4. I don't see why I wouldn't unbox the PS5. And I also, so I got the controller, and I've also unboxed the couple DualShock 4s along the way this generation. So anyways, yeah, I picked this up at my local GameStop. I pre-ordered it, and yeah, so here you go. You got the code down here. Skew, there we go, focus. There is all the details. I'm very thorough in my videos. I don't know if you guys care about boxes and stuff, but that's what you're going to get here. You're going to get all of the documentation of the packaging. And I don't know how many people are doing that, but you got this over here. Sorry, I'm holding it. Holding it from the top, so I'm shaking. Compatible with PS5. And you got this stuff back here. Let's take a look at that from distance. You got all of this good stuff here. All right, and that's it. Get straight into it. I see a lot of people ripping their packaging. I'm gonna try not to do that. I actually really like keeping things nice. It's a little, just put this sticker kind of somewhere funky. All right, there we go. No problem there. So there we are. Got that removed. Open the lid. Hold this down. Got patent number. Part number, actually. That could actually be useful. A little stupid shit like that, you know? At some point in the future, they might change that part number. So, there you have it. Let's see. So, plastic thing. Toss that to the side. You got your empty box. Put that towards the side. And then you got yourself a cardboard box. All right. That folds open like so. You get your instruction manual, which, come on, really? Why would you need an instruction manual? But there it is, in case you're curious. Got the safety. You have some cool information here. 9 ounces, 1500 mAh, MAH. See? Sometimes it's cool to dig into some of the stuff in the box. You got warning for radio waves and magnets and metal devices and medical devices. You got safety. And that's all I'm going to show. Because you guys are probably like, are you serious? Come on, Brad. Patience, 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 patience. Here you are. This is the moment. Wow, I can't believe I'm holding this. This is quite surreal. Hold on, let me move this crap out of the way. Okay. Wow. So that's incredible. The buttons are very soft. They have a nice, they feel just like a DualShock 4 button, but they are clear plastic. But they have a very soft touch. The joysticks are like ribbed, and there's a way better grip on this, like super, like it's better than the Xbox One controller. The grip on it is it's like sandpaper. It's really grabs your thumbprint really nice. The D-pad, it's same as always, all one piece. It's got that nice sticky new feeling, new plastic. The PlayStation button is super soft, and as you can see, the beautiful blue pulsing light around the touchpad. No more like tactile feeling of the touchpad. It also doesn't look like it. I noticed that like when you use it, when you put your thumb on the DualShock 4, it over time it gets worn and kind of greasy, and you end up wearing away the pattern on it. This doesn't look like to be a problem. It's all the same texture and plastic, all one piece. It matches the controller all the way around, so there's no like different types of plastic. It's just, you know, this is the black part, the white part are all around the controller. I think this might be a little bit more. Nope, it's actually the same. So yeah, very, very beautiful slow pulse of the blue, very nice. So that's the front. You got your microphone, you got your charging dock thing, and headphone jack. It actually feels like an Xbox One S or Xbox One controller in your hand, but it also kind of feels like a DualShock 4 controller as well. It just has a little bit of a sharper corner down here, so when you're holding it, basically feels the same. It feels exactly the same as, you know, Xbox One and DualShock 4. They really put them together to make one solid, comfortable controller from what I feel. The clicks, yep, nice. Feel just like the buttons on the DualShock 4, but they're way more prominent. They're much closer. They're not all like curved into the controller. So that's nice. The joysticks, wow, holy crap. The joysticks feel extremely smooth, like almost like there's some bounce to them. You'll feel like a nice resistance if you go like this with them. You'll have to feel it in person. It really throws your thumb. It's very like, you see that? It's very silky smooth, very quick, and very like, it's got a nice resistance to it. These are huge. This is the R1 and R2 button. Very big, but very clicky, rather than the DualShock 4s that are very kind of soft, a little bit mushy. These have a snap to them, and the joysticks, I mean the triggers, yeah, they feel a lot more snappier. They don't feel as soft, and I also like the texture on them. They feel a little less soft. I mean, it's new, so, but way more, just overall, much better improvement. I gotta say, I do like this controller. What else? I heard that the touch, yeah, nice firm, doesn't matter where you touch it. Nice firm press. That's probably due to the fact that you can like literally see right in there. It's very, I heard that there is PlayStation logos that are extremely tiny. We're gonna try to get those. Camera's super focus mode. Here we go. So I'm seeing them like super focused, and okay, yep, there we go. I see them now. Circles, squares, triangles, it's really in there. Like super in there, but there you go. In case you wanted to see the shapes and symbols and the textures of the controller, there you have it. Very hard to, very small detail, microscopic even. Here's the back, finally, the reset button, and I don't know what that is back there. Like, I don't know what this is right here, but I'm sure maybe it's some kind of other, maybe a clip, probably a clip for this, for the the charging station. So yeah, that's basically, there you have it, folks. See if we can get a shot of those symbols. If you can see them, that's exactly why I keep this controller, this camera. Very old camera, but it does, it's one of those. So there you have it. Super exciting to get. I'm now super excited to get the PS5. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not seeing any other, cable. Nope. And that's it. That's the whole thing, guys. So there you have it. The DualSense. It's not even a DualSense 5, it's just, I wanted to call it a DualSense 5 because it's for the PS5, but nope, it's just DualSense. Soft, responsive, clicky buttons, nice joystick spin. It's just, wow, this is the controller that we're going to be using for over 10 years, I'd say. Give you guys one final closeout. I'm going to turn the light off, and you can enjoy the beautiful blue pulse in its glory. I think that's a good way to close out the video. Click that off, and there you have it. One thing I'm curious about, what happens if you hold this button? Can you put it into Bluetooth mode? Bluetooth mode might be somewhere else now. Maybe it's this one. Nope. Okay, so I don't know how to put it into Bluetooth mode if it is a thing. So, who knows? Oh, I see. There's actually this little light down here is actually a button as well. I don't know what it does, but cool. So yeah, I'm not sure how to put it to any type of Bluetooth mode. That's how you did it in DualShock 4, but yeah. Nothing here. So there you go, guys. Thanks very much for watching. This has been TPX Reviews with a TPX unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed it. Give you one more pulse and end the video.